Hello once again, dudes, my name is Mil and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to have about while loop. And before we even start I want to say sorry because I had a lot of other JavaScript tutorials, I can't remember, it's 3 or 4. I did some for loops, and then I didn't do the while and the do while loops, and I'm really sorry about that. There was just a few things I wanted to cover, so sorry about that. Now we're ready to do the while loops. So I'm going to be building a variable called num, or test, or loop, actually I like that more, and set this equals to 1. The way a while loop is built is sort of like if statements, the same way almost, but what we do is we give it an instruction again. I'm just going to say document write and then put loop plus and then piece of text, line I love bacon and I don't know, geogra. I don't know what that is. I'm just typing it in basically. So let me type in here. Alright, so let me explain now. What this basically says, we have a variable called loop and we store the information of 1 in it. So saying while the variable loop is smaller than 10 and then run this piece of code. Now you can tell that this will be running infinitely. And it will. It is actually a very functional code, this one. It will run infinitely. But because it runs infinitely, your internet browser would basically crash even if you just try to run it. So what I recommend you to do is to add something down here, loop plus plus. And now let me explain what this does. The plus plus operator basically adds 1 each time this is run. So every time this while loop is run, it will add a plus. So if we go and save and run it now, it will be working because it will only continue up to 10. As you can see, or I should probably add a break here. Yeah, alright, so let's go ahead and run it. So right now, yeah, now it should work. You can see it says 1, I love bacon and Jabra. 2, I love bacon and copper. And you can see there's nothing even saying that thing only one time, and that's here. So basically, that's how a while loop works, and you can add as many as you like. If you set it to 50, it can take care of that as well. So every time run this, it's going to add 1 until it reach 50, cause then it won't run the loop anymore. So basically, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.